Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in your English class. Today again we will do WH words as you have done WH words. All words were beginning with WH. For example, watch, you did watch. Okay, why, where, which, then who, whose, whom. Okay, so these all words are beginning with WH. So my dear students, in WH words there is one word that is not beginning with WH, but it also we count this in WH words only, that is HOW, how. Okay, so in generally if I talk about how, so how means kaise. How means kaise. Okay, but there are different uses of how. Okay, that I will tell you beta. See, first how means kaise means when we talk about manner. How does it work? How does it work? Means ये कैसे चलता है? इसको कैसे यूज में लेते हैं? So how, for example, if you have anything and you want to know that how does it work? Okay, how does she speak? How does she explain the topic? Means how. How does it work? Means here we are using this how for manner. For manner. Okay. Next, how far. How far is your house from BPS? How far is your house from BPS? Means for distance. For distance. How far is city from BPS? How far is your house from BPS? From BPS. And you will end the sentence with a question mark. Always whenever we are making any question, you should use question mark. Okay. Next, how long? How long means for time. Okay, and for space also. How long does the earth take to complete one revolution? How long? How? You are talking about the time. How long does the earth take to complete one revolution? To complete one revolution. Okay, means when we use it how long for time and space. Next one is how many. How many means when we want to know the quantity of something actually. Okay, and quantity means countable nouns. Countable. For example, how many books are lying on the table? There are 4 books. Okay, 4 books are lying on the table. Okay, so how many pencils do you have? Answer: I have 4 pencils. Okay, how many chalks I have in my hands? I have 1 chalk. So this is the example, and like this we are using how many. For quantity we use this, and for countables or countables means for countable nouns, the things which you can count, for them we are using how many. And how much. How much also we are using for quantity, but we use how much for uncountable nouns. We use how much for uncountable nouns. Okay, how much water is there in the jug? How much water is there in this pot? Okay, how much money do you want? Okay, so this is the use of how much. Okay, so we see single word how and different uses of how. Means how, when you have to ask about the manner, how does it work? Okay, so then we use how. How for the distance we use how. For time and space we use how long does it take. How long will you take to complete this chapter in your book? So this is an example of how long. So how many we use for quantity, but with the countables, the things which you can count. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many fingers do you have in your hand? So that is how many. Next is how much. How much means we use with the for the quantity only. How much means when you cannot count anything. With the uncountables we use how much. So this is the use of how. So in whole week we have done WH words. I hope now it will be easy for you to make questions, and along with this beta you have to complete your work in the book also. Chapter 10 is very easy. First that hobbies we have done, and after that questions. Her name is Shreya. Her name is Shreya. So what will be the question? What is your name? So it will be, you will match it. What is your? Her name is Shreya. So it will, you have to do from this. So what is your sister's name? Like this, and afterwards, last page 56, you have to underline WH words. Why are you late? So which is WH word? Very easy. Okay, and question C, frame question. I'm not feeling too well as I have fever. So question is I'm not feeling well means manner. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Next, the lion lives in the jungle. Place is given means where does a lion live? Okay, the capital of India means what is the capital of India? And this blue dress is the best of all the dresses. Means choice. Which is the best of all the dresses? I love eating ice lollies in summer. So what do you love? Eating in summer. And it was my mother who answered the phone when you called. So who answered the call? Means you have to use who as a subject. Okay. So very easy now. Please read these words once again and complete your work in your workbook B. That's all for today. Thank you children. Bye bye. Be safe and be happy.